I have a LG Stylo 3. This will also work for the 3 Plus, but basically you have a black screen. However, you know the phone is on. Maybe you see some LED lights. Maybe you can hear it ring, or maybe you can even feel it vibrate. You just can't get the screen on. Now take note that this screen here is actually, it's working, but let's just pretend it's not, okay? So first thing is this. I'm gonna give you guys several solutions to get you up and running right now. So first thing is this. What I want you to do is pop the back plate off, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the battery out. So pop that out, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull this battery out. Now, the power button, you guys know it's right here on the finger sensor here. Now what I want you to do is, sometimes like this can get stuck. What I want you to do is just press in and out a bunch of times, like that. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you to press and hold it for 30 seconds. Do not let go. Just hold it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, let go. We're gonna go ahead and pop this battery back in, and then go ahead and fire it back up. And hopefully you're back up and running. Now the thing is, if you go ahead and power back on and it's still not on, you get no LG logo, or it's still black, then I want you to do the same thing. So for this time, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and take the battery out, and this time instead of 30 seconds, I want you to press and hold for 1 minute. Press and hold, it's basically like an electric discharge. Press and hold for 1 minute. After 1 minute is up, put your battery back in, fire back up, and hopefully you're up and running. Now if you're still down, I want you to go ahead and pull the battery out again, and this time what I want you to do is press and hold for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, so first time 30 seconds, didn't work, then do a minute. Didn't work, then do 1 minute and 30 seconds. After that, same thing, go ahead and pop the battery back in, fire up, and hopefully you guys are up and running. Now the thing is, if you're still down, then what I want you to do is this, because it can be something that's loose somewhere inside here, okay, loose connection. So just grab your phone, and what I want you to do is I want you to press, basically massage the whole entire screen with the battery out. Just massage it all like this on the front, turn it over, and I want you to massage, basically press in on the back here, okay, even all around the lens here. Press kind of, you got to press kind of firm too, all over here, and then go ahead and give it a couple whacks on the front screen and on the back, and then go ahead and pop your battery back in, fire up, and hopefully you'll be able to see this LG logo. Now if you're still having like a black screen, watch this video from the very beginning and do every single step. Also a big one, you guys may think it's ridiculous, but massaging it like that, I've like brought up like numerous phones like this, okay? So with the battery out, you want to press in the screen all over, and even like on the back, and give it a couple whacks too. Anyways, most of you guys should be up and running. If you are, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. All right, good luck guys. Bye.